Website of the Shakey's V-League, now on its 9th season. And you can also like us on Facebook, facebook.com/Shakey's V-League. Ito ngayon yung service nitong si Giselle C. FEU up by 3. Michelle Carolino, great save by Gallego. Here's Salak once again, and this time Mayet comes to the rescue of her sister.
Well, so far, itong Giselle C, 6 excellent sets against Salak's 7. So,
Right.
keeping up naman with the season setter na si Salak, itong si Giselle C.
Hindi lang season national team.
Oh, long-time
national team member. They go to the back line right now for Ivy.
Well, FEU so far having 8 attack points and Philippine Army with 10.
Medyo nagkaluray-luray yung play doon. Ni Tina Salak for Jack Alarca.
Yun lang, masyadong marami kasing errors ang nangyayari dito sa Army. Compared to the 2 errors only so far of FEU. Oh, and an ace from Eulalio.
And if you fans are looking for Rosemary Vargas on the bench of FEU, na-ACL yan last time. So she's still recovering from that. Timeout, Philippine Army.
Ginagawa nyo, kaya habol tayo, bigla namang hindi bitaw. Ayan nyo, importante itong first set na to, ha? Huwag yung hindi bitaw, kapit tayo. Block, depensa. Yun ang kailangan natin, ha? Wala man lang tayo nabablock eh. Pwede mo naman ibigay sa gusto naman. Siya, kasiban mo siya. Let's go!
Well, the problem is, itong FEU is not even serving or attacking to the side of Patricia Torres. Kaya wala rin makontribute ito si Torres.
Oh, ikaw iiwas mo talaga. Of course, si Shasha has been a very stable and resilient libero for the Philippine Army. Kahit nung naglalaro pa yan, fighter talaga yan.
Well, Iyari Yonko seeing her first action dito. So, replacing height with height. Itong si Rico de Guzman. Eulalio. Salak. In the air for Yonko. Great block there by Ivy. And Palma.
Ivy Remulla. Yes, you heard it right.
Oh, naglalaro ulit.
Blocking.
Sabi ni Coach Des
That
next
attack?
conference, yung naman daw maglalaro. Dapat malaki-laki food budget yan. Ito ngayon si Mayat. Ala, layo.
Going wide. So FEU takes another point and is up now by 6 big points.
Well, their biggest lead was at 7 points. At saka ito
Alam mo, malaki yan against Philippine Army.
Oo. Eulalio playing pretty well. But that time, yun na naman.
So long.
Dalia Cruz will see her first action replacing Mayat Carolino. So again, power with power naman. Daming sandata ng Philippine Army.
Parang starters lahat eh.
Oo.
Napapalitan na pero pwedeng starter pa rin yung pinapalit.
C, combination for Ivy. Dakis for Dalia Cruz. Gallego keeps it alive. Here's Tabaquero, dropping it in.
That's with an off-speed shot. Tabaquero getting that point.
Para sa tala ng buhay mo, hindi mo maisip na maglalaro sa FEU si Tabaquero.
Oo nga naman.
And here she is with that top spin attack against her arch nemesis from FEU, Rachel Andakis.
Ganyan talaga buhay. Paikot-ikot lang.
Oh, Yonko with the stretch.
Made that look so easy.
Nalaki nito mga to. Look at the way she just reached out and stretched for this one. Parang pala na depensa doon ni Ivy. Dalia Cruz. Remulla. C. Patrona. Salak. In the air for Dakis. Nice block by Ivy.
Once again, Remulla getting the block along with Palma. Let's take a look at that once again.
Ivy is 5'10".
Ayan. Solo block pala yun ni Ivy.
Oo. So, Baniel sees her first action naman para sa kupunan ng FEU. That's Marosa Baniel. And the birthday girl sees her first action replacing Rachel Andakis. We're talking about Melody Gutierrez, former captain of the Philippine Army as well.
Birthday kasi niya today. Kaya medyo nalito lang. Binibigay sa ating second referee yung kanyang number.
That one goes out. 22-17. A very colorful first set. Yonko to serve for the Philippine Army. Another substitution coming in with Tubanes.
Well, Ivy Remulla, our very own, 50% in blocking. 2 successful blocks of her 4 attempts.
And Tubanes seeing her first action here. Gallego, Manuel, Patrona, and that one goes out. So that will be another point for FEU. They are 2 points away from closing out set number 1. Joy Palma to serve. Nice serve!
Very powerful.
Nahilo si Dalia Cruz sa serve na yun.
Parang cannonball. Diretso at it was really fast. Well, Patrona, 4 attack points.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Set point for FEU. Torres gets to it. Salak in the air right now for Gutierrez. Baniel! It's still alive. At si Tabakero pinamigay lang yung bola. And Tabakero tries to dig it up. But it will be a net violation against FEU.
That's right.
Ganda na reaction ni Aguito nung pinitiwan yung bola. Ay, takbo siya.
Si Angela Baquero, that's why ang dami ring following to. She's just a joy to watch.
Right. Wala pa si Phil Kainglet dito, may bubbly na.
Oo
Sana yun.
nga eh. Si Ange ang original na bubbly girl.
Oh, and FEU takes set number 1. That was a quick attack there for FEU. 25-18. Army did not surrender a single set in their first match. And here they are down 1 set to nothing against FEU. Let's take a look at our shaky shake and play. A quick set there from Giselle C. and Gwyneth Eulalio delivers the goods for FEU.